Your nation people, the world boss said do it if you're bad. No gimmicks not there in it. No lollipop thing not there in it. That's what I said. The big man said do it if you're bad. So my thing is right now to the way how the big man rip off that after the big man make the speech on Instagram and make una know say boy I fuck around him channel and boy I come together and I freeze up him views. Una don't know say the YouTube monetization and them shit there. Some of them work off a robot, so anytime una make a complaint on an individual video or song, you know them are going to stop it, them are going to freeze it because them have to check it out because more than one or two people are complaining. It's like a group of people I do the same thing. So they know the anger management. I got to think so well then right now, so much people now got to tell lie. So them are going to freeze up the thing, stop it for a minute. That's what I say, for check out and you don't know say a whole heap of people dep on YouTube where video and music business concerned. So you don't know them things they are going to take all a little time for free up. But that's what I say. So here we go on right now. The big man said, do it if you're not bad. That's what I say. So my thing is that the big man I make you know say right now all you not freeze up him views them and I freeze up him shit on YouTube. The man I make you know say right now personally run dancehall if you're not bad. Run it like how me run it. Do it like me. If you not say you're not bad, like if you're not really bad for true, do the shit like how me do it. Just run dancehall like how me deal with it. No form of gimmicks not about it. But here we go on right about now. But the world it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already, you know, when I come to represent. A full effective man. You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. The world boss, come on. I make the fuckers them know say right now no do it if you no bad. You don't want to run dancehall, stop using your mouth and stop use some look of fanatic business. You know what I mean? Because one thing with the world boss, you know, when it comes to dancehall, them man they kick in boy draws in him ass with the work. Not no mouth chat business. That's what I say. At the work them man they deal with. So here we go on right now. This is just because most of these jockstrap sniffing fanboy and fan girl know say to the way our world boss release music. Una hard for cope with them man there. Cause them man they release music in abundance, one after the other, consecutively. No joke shit not dead about it. And you know so you can't keep up with the man. That's what I say, because you know this thing, you know, from 2018, 19, you know, you know, well then, you know, YouTube, you know, it's like a macro for the world boss, you know, to all him this mankle YouTube and deal with it, you know, to the way how the brother drop music, because by the time them brother yeah, take for build up a one song, world boss already release all 6 or 7 songs already. You see what I deal with? So them can't monitor the way how the brother deal with them release and music. So them claim say them come together right now, form a group, so them a plan a coup and a try to slow down the world boss. So the thing where you see them come up with to freeze up the man channel, other shit that them come up with for say, well, then them a slow down the man to how the man release music, and them artists where them a rave but can't do the same because him not have music naturally in him like that. That's why I say him don't have that passion there where music concerned. That's why I deal with. So this is where them come with, and so well then them a come with this for try to slow down the world boss thing on YouTube. But you don't have to know, say them shit they can't stop the world boss no time at all. That's what I say, because that the big man come out and I make you know early this morning. You do it if you not bad. If you not sound bad and you know the shit and you know all this in a dancehall, do it. You know what I mean? Do it make you sick. Do it if you not bum buckler bad. We not talk about no mouth chatting, no hype business, so I'm not fans business now. No. We talk about the work itself. Kick out the work make you sick. Push out the work make you see. Because some of you just chat for sound good enough, sound big enough. That's what I say. None of you when you hear chat up on the mouth and go on with be hype and act like this or that. You never sell 500,000 copies in your life yet, never, Shit they wanna dream about, You never do it, not even with an artist collaborate together, Much as to do it personally, half on your own, Yes, so I say, with all on your own label and all them shit there, No joke shit not dead about it, I really we are representing, you know, we not deal with lollipop thing, Yes, so I say, so the world boss come out this morning and say, alright, you know black views, you know freeze views, you know fuck up people channel because you know complain in a groups and all them shit if you freeze up people views. Alright, you know bad then do it. Do it. Do it no bad man. You no can't do it man. How much years now man? I don't remember tell you something man. I'm not tell you them things over and over man. In that music man, you have runner up man, and you have journeyman man, and you have legend man. Vybz Kartel a real true born legend, my virgin. Vybz Kartel are no made artist, my virgin. Vybz Kartel are no journeyman, and no runner up artist. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. Where music concerned, Vybz Kartel carve out him own lane in a music. Till you can all call dancehall music Mr. Vybz Kartel. No blood clot gimmicks, not dead about it. And nobody in the world who not have no fucking problem about it but them same jagstrap sniffing fanboy and fan gala where you hear me I tell you about where I go around and I try for dim light on Gaza and Vybz Kartel thing because them want them artists so lookable. So when time them claim them slow down the man thing on YouTube, for them chat is what them are going to come with. I tell you say Vybz Kartel slow down and them are going to show you first thing. Look on them artist numbers and them shit there. When I read music off a new YouTube, my brother, I mean like YouTube is a nice starting process for enough young artists. No gimmicks business that they're in it. But we not read artists off a blood clot YouTube views. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. It can't gain a Grammy, it can't gain a gold plat, it can't gain a platinum plat, no diamond plat, nothing like that, my brother. The most it can give you some highlight and you make some money. No gimmicks not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead about it. Because YouTube really is for videos. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead. So all where hear people are going and I chat up them mouth and I do this. Them not rat nowhere over the world. Nobody not call them name. And that's why the big man can come out and make you know do it if you not bad. A regular we see on the internet all different type of white people from all different type of race behind piano, behind guitar, behind all of those instruments I sing over about Vybz Kartel song. No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see them shit that daily on the internet. No joke not dead about it. So when the big man I say you do it if you not bad. No joke shit no dead about it. If you know a big bad blood clot artist, get up and do that. Cause when the world boss do it, I've never seen nowhere in the world in a music history. The man there behind the bars and gold record or sell. I when me say gold, I mean in the United States. No joke shit no dead about it. And him there behind the bars in Jamaica. Meanwhile some guy there in the state where you hear these jockstrap sniffing fan boys and fan girl are rave over some boy there in the state. When him dropping music, it swim back in the water to Jamaica. No gimmicks business no dead about it. A real way we represent are the general. So this morning we get up and I say, we no do it if we no bad. No chatty more business, no complain business. We no want to hear no chat business. Forgot all about freezing views on YouTube and all of this shit. We are saying, do put out the work, make we see, like all the world was kicking boy draws in him ass with the work in a dance hall. We need to see the work what we do. We can't take the bag of show off and hype in blood clot business. Because I hear beer people jump up and I talk about Grammy. We no bad mind nobody for no blood clot Grammy. But all we're saying, do the works if you no can. Because when he's hyping up these artists without no fucking work. Them haven't done nothing yet. What them do right now for now chat about them name like this in a dancehall and what kind of impact them create in a dancehall and what kind of angles them have on dancehall for rap and go on them way there. Because some little jockstrap sniffing fanboy and fan girl I go on them way there. And we not hear the international people them a go on so. We don't even hear the international producer them a go on so. And we don't hear the international artists them a go on so. Because them no want a collaboration from them not talk about not dep on them playlist where the bumper ass clock not talk about. Not do it if bad then my brother. For the bad like blood clot Vybz Kartel, do it if bad. And that way I say. The general, the 10-star one I represent. I don't know a Gaza way they ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch. Alright.